Yeah, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a bootable Windows 11 ISO using, which will allow you to install Windows 11 with unsupported hardware. So this is from a fresh install. If you want to install Windows 11 with a computer that doesn't have supported hardware, then you can create a USB drive to do that. So let's start. So you just go to this URL right here to get Windows 11 ISO. Select that. Download. Choose your language. Confirm. And then just download here. I already have a copy, so let's just start from there. So the next thing you'll need is the hacked AppRaiser res DLL file. And just go to that URL. You should be able to download this on your computer. That's already downloaded. Just gonna cancel this because I already have it. Okay, you just get those two things. I just put that file, the AppRaiser res file here, and let's say I just put, and I have my ISO Windows 11 file, right? So what I want to do is right click with the mouse and mount, so now I could get access to the file, right? Want to go to Windows Explorer again. This time I want to put it into a separate folder. Just put it in here. Call it Windows 11. Just copy everything that's in that ISO file to a folder, which I'm doing right now. Could take about a minute, 30 seconds. Let that complete. Okay, that's in. I'm going to go to my AppRaiser file, and just drag that right into this folder. Whoops, I made a mistake. It's not that folder. It's the sources folder. Sorry about that. Well, not that folder. Sources. There it is. So replace the file and destination. That's what you want to replace. So you will be able to boot from your boot when you start the computer, basically. So you can install a fresh install of Windows. Next, I'm going to put in my USB drive, which I'm going to be doing now. Click on that. what files, and it's empty, as you can see. So we have to go to command prompt to do a couple of things. Command prompt. Right click here, run as an administrator. Yes. We have to type in a few commands, which I highlighted here. Okay, I did that. So it'll be called Diskpart. List disk. List disk. It's not, it's two separate words. List disk. Okay, good. I want to see which drive it is. So make sure you select the right drive, or you're going to wipe everything off of your drive. Okay, so the drive that contains the empty USB is this drive right here, 28 gigabytes, and it's K drive. So this is 28 gigabytes. So it's that drive. So I'm going to select disk 6. List disk again. And as you can see, now this disk is selected. That's what I wanted, okay? Since that disk is selected, I'm going to type in clean. Okay. So disk 6 is cleaned. List disk again. Still at disk 6, 28 gigabytes. Create partition primary. Okay, this 6 was collected. I created a primary partition for this 6. Partition. Okay, now we type in select partition just going to copy and paste that. Enter. Okay. Type in active. Now I'm going to type in this. Going to copy that. Enter. Just formatting the drive. Type in assign. I'll leave all of this in the video descriptions. Okay. Exit. Okay, now type in exit to get out. So now I want to find out where I put my Windows file. Okay, this file right here. So this is an E drive. So we're going to go back to command prompt and run it as administrator again. I'm going to go to copy that. So actually we'll just go to E drive. CD dir, go to CD temp dir CD Windows 11. Now we're here, we have to locate the bootSec file, and that is in boot cd boot. Okay, this is where the bootSec file is, right here. This is the file that we want. So let's type in. Since we're here, we must type in bootSec. And now we have to find where our flash drive is, which is in L drive, as you can see, L. Type in L. Caps don't matter in Windows, but in Linux it does. We're not using Linux, so this is what I type in: bootSec.exe, which is right here, that file, executable file, /NT60 L drive. Okay, enter. So now it's bootable. So the last thing we have to do now is drag everything in our Windows folder, which is here, Windows 11 folder, and drag it into the USB folder, which is right here. This could take a while. Everything here, just drag it in, and this will now be a bootable USB drive. And this could take a while, okay? So let's just fast forward through it. Okay, now I want to restart the computer and try to boot from that USB drive to see if this was successful or not. For my computer, it's F2 to go into the BIOS. I don't know what yours is, but you can find out. Okay, I'm in my BIOS. Go to boot. I'm going to select that because that's the bootable USB drive. Go to exit. I'm going to save and reset. Let's see if it boots from that USB drive. to be working. Okay, so as you can see, that I was able to boot from the USB drive. I don't want to install Windows, but on another video, I'll show you how to do that, but not on this video. Today's video was just about being able to create a bootable USB 11 USB drive with using a hack, so you could basically. So now I'm going to go back to my BIOS and change the boot priority. So I don't want to boot from my USB flash drive anymore. I just want to change it back to optical disk boot. Save and reset. That's pretty much it. Anyways, thanks for, if you have any comments, leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching my Ace 1000 KS 1975 signing out.